Module 21. Objectives. Select a measuring instrument to perform mensuration and calculation. Reflect the system of measurements. Observe proper behavior in performing mensuration and calculation. Introduction. The lesson is to expose the learners on an exploratory course which leads to Carpentry National Certificate Level 2 or NC2. It covers Grade 8 Technology and Livelihood Education (TLE) students to practice the use and selection of measuring instruments, properly calculate the measurements. Time for review. Enumerate the following. What are the two systems of measurement? 3 to 5. Give at least 3 units of linear measurements in English system. 6 to 9. Give at least 4 units of linear measurements in the metric system. Topic: Perform mensuration and calculation. Converting fractions to decimal. In converting fraction to decimal, divide the numerator by its denominator, whether it is proper, improper, or mixed fraction. Sample solutions. A. Proper fraction. 2 over 5 is equivalent to 0.4. Here is the formula and how to calculate. B. Improper fraction. 1. 11 over 3 is equivalent to 3.66. Here are the solutions. C. Mixed fraction. Number 2. 1/2 is equivalent to 2.5. Here are the solutions. Converting units of measure. Here are the guide table and unit conversion. English to English. 1 foot is equivalent to 12 inches. Metric to metric. 1 meter is equivalent to 10 decimeter. 1 decimeter is equivalent to 10 centimeter. English to metric. 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimeter. 1 inch is equals to 25.4 millimeter. 1 foot is equivalent to 30.48 centimeter. Metric to English, 1 meter is equivalent to 3.28 feet. 1 meter is equivalent to 39.37 inches. Sample solutions in conversion. A. Put to inches. 3 feet is equivalent to how many inches? Solution: multiply 3 feet by 12 inches is equivalent to 36 inches. B. Inch to feet. 48 inches is equivalent to how many feet? Solution: divide 48 inches by 12 inches. The answer is 4 feet. Letter C. Centimeter to millimeter. 22 centimeter is equivalent to how many millimeters? Solution: multiply 22 centimeter by 10 millimeter is equivalent to 220 millimeter. Letter D. Inch to centimeter. 6 inches equivalent to how many centimeter? Solution: multiply 6 inches by 2.54 centimeter is equivalent to 15.24 centimeter. Generalization. In converting fractions to decimal, divide the numerator by its denominator, whether it is proper, improper, or mixed fraction. Remember, accurate measurements are obtained according to job requirements. Work pieces are measured according to job requirements. Fill in the blanks, complete the table below. Timer starts now. Answer the following questions honestly. Last 1 minute. Okay, stop writing. Time is up. Let's check your answer. Number 1, English. Number 2, 1 foot. Number 3, metric. Number 4, 10 decimeter. Number 5, 1 decimeter. Number 6, metric. Number 7, 1 inch. Number 8, 25.4. Number 9, 1 foot. Number 10, 39.37. Our reference, K-12 Basic Education, Curriculum, Technology, and Livelihood Education Learning Module Exploratory Course for Grade 7 and 8. Goodbye, learners. Thank you for watching. See you again. Thank you, learners. See you next meeting.